Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send from your Phantom wallet to Coinbase, and it's really easy and simple. First things first, if you're using the browser extension, just click on the browser extension. If you're using the mobile app, you'll be on this page. It's the same process. So what you're going to do, guys, first, you'll see your balance right here. You'll see the different tokens you have right here. All you do is click on send. Choose the token you want to send. For example, if you want to send Ethereum, what you want to do here, guys, you want to enter the amount. You can click on the max amount. For example, let's say you want to send $100, and if you have 100 Ethereum, then you can send that. You just want to enter the recipient's Ethereum address right here, and then select next, and then they will ask you guys to put in the network, and then confirm the transaction. And within 30 minutes, guys, within 30 minutes, usually it takes less than 5 minutes, but within 30 minutes, your crypto should transfer from your Phantom wallet to Coinbase. And it's really that easy. Simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.